Concrete is a composite material composed of fine and coarse aggregate bonded together with a fluid cement that hardens over time. When aggregate is mixed with dry cement, Portland water, the mixture forms a slurry that is easily poured and molded into shape. The cement reacts with water and other ingredients to form a hard matrix that binds the material together. The innovation in concrete started by the invention of so-called Roman concrete, which started the concrete revolution. In Roman concrete, the gypsum and quicklime were used as binders, and the common example was the Pantheon of Rome, which has the largest and the oldest reinforced concrete. Concrete floors were found in the Royal Palace of Turin, Greece, from 1400 to 1200 BC. Lime mortars were used in Greece, Crete, and Cyprus in 800 BC. The Assyrian Geran aqueduct made use of waterproof concrete. Concrete was the construction in many ancient structures. In the Middle Ages, the Canal du Midi was built using concrete in 1670 by low temperatures and running line that led to declining quality of concrete. However, in the industrial era, reinforced concrete was invented by Joseph Menu, and the first modern use of concrete was built in the Smeaton's Tower by British engineer John Smeaton. Concrete is a composite material comprising of a matrix of aggregate and a binder, which holds the mat. Aggregate consists of large chunks of material in a concrete mix, generally a coarse crevice or crushed rock such as limestone. In Portland cement, water is mixed with dry powder and aggregate that forms a liquid slurry. The concrete solidifies through a process called hydration. Admixtures are added to modify the cure rate or properties of material. Minerals are used recycled materials as concrete ingredients. Conspicuous materials include fly ash as byproducts of coal-fired. Several advances in new concrete technologies have been made in the past decade, including materials recycling, mixture proportioning, durability, and environmental quality. There are also diverse methods and techniques used in construction methods such as high-performance concrete and reinforced concrete. The glass fiber reinforced concrete is a new type of concrete which has higher tensile strength and flexing strength than standard concrete. This glass fiber reinforced concrete is combined with pre-mixed dry components. It has higher density and low corrosion rate. That means that building components need less materials than conventional concrete for structural sustainability. All materials built with GFRC will have greater lifespan and less maintenance. The common example being the New York City Beach restoration module made with GFRC. Other advances include translucent concrete, which is created by adding optical fibers to concrete mixture. This changing perception of concrete as primarily opaque mass. Self-consolidating concrete is a special concrete mix that eliminates the need of mechanical consolidation and yields smooth surface finishes. Another low-tech innovation in concrete is the cement masonry unit with verifying geometry, which can be used to create an interesting pattern formed in facade. The cement-based facade cladding materials are available which are suitably suited for rain facade systems. These materials are lightweight, recyclable, and can be manufactured in different colors and textures. The main example is the China Interactive Group corporate headquarters in Shanghai, designed by Morphosis, uses this type of exterior cladding material. This building is natural settings and blurs the distinction between landscape and architecture. The type of concrete to be emerging in the future is the knitted concrete by Zaha Hadid Architect. Has within a knitting time of 36 hours, the cable net and fabric form system allows for expressive free-form concrete surfaces to be constructed without the need of models. The knitted fabric for knit candela developed at ETC Zurich was transported from Mexico to Switzerland. More recently, the institution also showcased the potential of 3D printed concrete in Switzerland, presented the first 3D printed robotically concrete stage.